Hi guys, thank you once again. Today I want us to look at this gauge to show how this is what the temperature sense gauge, and this side it shows that it is cool, this C here, and this side is high. This is Datsun 1200. As you can see the label here, it is Datsun. Nissan of course pickup. So my issue here, you see that the car has not started even since from the morning. Now it is around noon, and when I put on the ignition key here, this one here, I put on here, you realize that the gauge is slowly coming towards the higher side, as you can see here, as how it is. And so the car has not started since morning, and you see already the gauge here, it is towards the highest side, you see. So if I switch it off, you can see how it is behaving, and you see the gauge is also coming towards the cooler side. So this means that what is could be the problem is the sensor, the temperature sensor. You can see now it is coming towards this side, and you can see slowly towards here. Yeah, so let us go and identify this switch and see what could be the problem, because of course you know the car, it should not come beyond this point. It means that generally that car is overheating. You see this center here, it means that the car of course is overheating. So let us go and identify the problem. So okay guys, I don't know whether you can see, this is our gauge here. I don't know whether you can see it. This is what is having a problem. You can see that it is faulty, this sensor here. So what you do is just remove this wire, you see. Then we will open it with this box 16, of course, 16 mm box 16. So it is pretty simple. What you do is just you insert it there, and then you take your L handle, of course I have one here. This is just a modified L handle. As you can see, it is nothing big. I mean, it's just a modified L handle, and then you turn, you fix it there, and then you turn anti-clockwise, you see. So it means that you're opening the sensor. Of course, after loosening it, then you will open it anti-clockwise, of course. Yeah, so this is the sensor here. This is the one that is having problem. This is how it looks like. This is the faulty sensor that you could see that it is making the car to go to the higher side of the temperature, the gauge to go to the higher side, whereas the car has not yet started for sometimes, you see. Therefore let us change to a new sensor. Of course we did not find the exact sensor there in the market, but we tried to look for the one that of course is at least closer, that will work, you see. This is now a new sensor here. As you can see, it is shorter. You can see it is shorter, but what is more is that the water here, from this point to here, is where the water will hit this sensor. So this and this are the same, so it is water just is here. It doesn't matter whether it is long or short. What we are concerned with is these threads here. You can see they are equal, and also this part here, so that it can go inside this hole here. You see this hole here. So we fit in our new sensor. It is pretty simple. You just turn it clockwise now, you see. Then you tighten it with your L handle, you see. So you fix now this this wire here. You fix it there. As you can see, this wire here, there's a small hole. Of course it needs there's a socket to fit there, but here we have modified. Of course this car is old, needs some modification, and as you can see, it's now okay. Our wire is now held, it is locking with this sensor here. So let us now see what happens thereafter. So now let us see after we put our ignition. You can see that this start engine has just started, and you can see our gauge now, it is not moving to the higher side. It means that our sensor was the problem. Thank you guys, thank you once again. This is Datsun 1200cc. Thank you for your time. Bye.